To create a new game board, from the Set Assignments page, click Create a Game Board. Give your board a title. Students will see this on their My Assignments page. Click to add questions. To find problem-solving questions, use the topic list to filter by subject. Broad fields, like mechanics or calculus, are at the top of the list. Scroll down to find narrow topics, like statics or differentiation. You can also filter the questions by stage in difficulty or by title. To select a question, click the checkbox. To remove filters, click the X. You can preview a question in a new tab or in a modal. Click the green button to add these questions to your board. Click again to add more questions. A board can contain up to 10 questions. To add questions from a book, choose a book from the list and search for a section. To add a quick quiz, clear all the filters and type quiz into the search box. You can rearrange the questions you have selected. To remove a question, clear its checkbox. When your board is ready, click Save Game Board. You can create another board or set your board as an assignment. Your board has a unique URL that you can share with colleagues or save to find it more easily later.